When in doubt, bite. Okay, so let's jump right in. Dr. Steve Hassan, a cult expert, came up with the acronym called BITE. It is designed to help us understand how mind control works in cultism. He made it easy for us to understand how mind control works through behavior, information, thoughts, and emotion. So let's take a bite. Okay, so let's do this together. Let's learn together. Let's read this thing together. This is a teaching moment for me as well, so I'm learning as I go. So let me read what's on the list for behavior control. Okay, so the list is kind of long, so I will try run through it as quickly as possible. So let's jump right in. All right, the first one is the leader regulates individuals' physical reality. He dictates where, how, and with who the person associates with. He controls when, how, and who the member has sex with. He controls your clothing, he controls your hairstyles, any accessories, he controls that. He regulates your diet. He tells you what to eat, what to drink, whether you stay hungry, whether you fast. He is in control. The leader is going to manipulate and deprive you of sleep. In other words, you are not going to get any sleep. You're going to be extremely tired. He will exploit you financially. He will take your money. He will cause you to dollar bill. Okay, let me get back. He's going to restrict your leisure time. He is not going to give you any entertainment, vacation time. You have no time for yourself. Major time is going to be spent with the group indoctrination. Therefore, whatever is being said is going to be said to indoctrinate. You need permission from him to make any major decisions. He rewards and punishes any behavior, whether good or negative, just to get you to modify or change who you are, right? He's going to discourage individualism. In other words, it's all about the group. You can't. The leader is going to impose rigid rules and regulation. He's going to punish disobedience by beating, torture, cutting, rape, or branding. He's going to threaten harm to your family and friends. He's going to force individuals to rape or be raped. He's going to encourage and engage in corporal punishment. In other words, he's going to beat you like slaves. He's going to instill dependency. You have to be total dependent on him. He's going to permit kidnapping, beating, torture, rape, separation of families, imprisonment, and murder. That was a lot. That was a lot to take in. But please beware. Please be vigilant.